Hi dear YouTubers, I will show you 40 Windows CMD commands that you need to know. So let's begin. Command prompt lets you tap into every area of your operating system, from creating new folders to formatting internal-external storage. To help you navigate sem.x like a pro, we prepared this small, but a compressive list of Windows Scout commands. So follow the tutorial and enjoy the result. ipconfig displays all current TCP/IP network configuration values and refreshes Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol (DHCP) and Domain Name System (DNS) settings. Used without parameters, ipconfig displays Internet Protocol version 4, IP4, and IP6 addresses, subnet mask, and default gateway for all adapters. ipconfig/all displays the full TCP/IP configuration for all adapters. Adapters can represent physical interfaces, such as installed network adapters, or logical interfaces, such as dial-up connections. findstr searches for patterns of text in files. ipconfig/release sends a DHCP-RELEASE message to the DHCP server to release the current DHCP configuration and discard the IP address configuration for either all adapters, if an adapter is not specified, or for a specific adapter if the adapter parameter is included. This parameter disables TCP/IP for adapters configured to obtain an IP address automatically. To specify an adapter name, type the adapter name that appears when you use ipconfig without parameters. ipconfig/renew renews DHCP configuration for all adapters if an adapter is not specified, or for a specific adapter if the adapter parameter is included. This parameter is available only on computers with adapters that are configured to obtain an IP address automatically. To specify an adapter name, type the adapter name that appears when you use ipconfig without parameters. ipconfig/displaydns displays the contents of the DNS client resolver cache, which includes both entries preloaded from the local hosts file and any recently obtained resource records for name queries resolved by the computer. The DNS client service uses this information to resolve frequently queried names quickly before querying its configured DNS servers. ipconfig/renew renews DHCP configuration for all adapters if an adapter is not specified, or for a specific adapter if the adapter parameter is included. This parameter is available only on computers with adapters that are configured to obtain an IP address automatically. To specify an adapter name, type the adapter name that appears when you use ipconfig without parameters. clip redirects the command output from the command line to the Windows clipboard. You can use this command to copy data directly into any application that can receive text from the clipboard. You can also paste this text output into other programs. ipconfig/flushdns flushes and resets the contents of the DNS client resolver cache. During DNS troubleshooting, you can use this procedure to discard negative cache entries from the cache, as well as any other entries that have been added dynamically. nslookup displays information that you can use to diagnose domain name system DNS infrastructure. clears the command prompt window. getmac specifies that the output display verbose information. powercfg analyzes the system for common energy efficiency and battery life problems. powercfg/batteryreport generates a report of battery usage. assoc is command internal, found inside Windows Command Processor command prompt, that allows for file extension to file type association. A file extension is generally last few characters in file name after period, though it is not mandatory for file to have an extension at all. In case of extensionless files, chkdsk fixes errors on the disk. The disk must be locked. If checks cannot lock the drive, a message appears that asks you if you want to check the drive the next time you restart the computer. chkdsk locates bad sectors and recovers readable information. The disk must be locked. Slasher includes the functionality of /f with the additional analysis of physical disk errors. cefg/scannnow scans the integrity of all protected system files and repairs files with problems when possible. DISM/online/cleanup/RestoreHealth. Check the system for corruption and fix any problems it finds automatically. DISM/online/cleanup/ScanHealth. This DISM command repairs the Windows operating system it runs on. The /online switch forces DISM to scan the operating system for errors. It fixes any errors. Tasklist displays a list of currently running processes on the local computer or on a remote computer. Tasklist replaces the list tool. netsh wlan show LAN report. This will generate a wireless network report that's saved as an HTML file, which you can open in your favorite web browser. The report shows all the Wi-Fi events from the last 3 days and groups them by Wi-Fi connection sessions. netsh interface show interface. Check all the network interface status. netsh interface ip4 show servers. This command displays DNS servers that have been configured for IP4. netsh advfirewall set all profiles stayed off. Turn off the firewall for every profile, no matter the connection type. netsh advfirewall set all profiles stayed on. Turn on the firewall for every profile, no matter the connection type. Ping verifies IP-level connectivity to another TCP/IP computer by sending Internet Control Message Protocol (ICMP) echo request messages. The receipt of corresponding echo reply messages are displayed, along with round-trip times. Ping is the primary TCP/IP command used to troubleshoot connectivity, reachability, and name resolution. Used without parameters, this command displays help content. Ping/ specifies ping continues sending echo request messages to the destination until interrupted. To interrupt and display statistics, press Ctrl+Enter. To interrupt and quit this command, press Ctrl+C. Tracert. This command determines the path by sending the first echo request message with a TTL of 1 and incrementing the TTL by 1 on each subsequent transmission until a target responds or the maximum number of hops is reached. The maximum number of hops is 30 by default and can be specified using the /a parameter. Tracert stops attempts to resolve the IP addresses of intermediate routers to their names. This can speed up the return of results. Netstat displays active TCP connections, ports on which the computer is listening, Ethernet statistics, the IP routing table, IP4 statistics for the IP, ICMP, TCP, and UDP protocols, and IPv6 statistics for the IPv6, ICMP6, TCP over IPv6, and UDP over IPv6 protocols. Used without parameters, this command displays active TCP connections. netstat-o displays active TCP connections and includes the process ID, PID, for each connection. You can find the application based on the PID on the Processes tab in Windows Task Manager. This parameter can be combined with a, min, and p. Netstat, af. This command tells you what is connected to you and what you are connecting to. It also tells you what port is open. Netstat, E5. This command gives you sent and received statistics every 5 seconds. Route add. When used with the add command, The specified route is added to the registry and is used to initialize the IP routing table whenever the TCP/IP protocol is started. Route print. Route print allows you to see your computer's routing table. That's the table that your computer uses to decide if information on the network is addressed to it. Route delete. This command delete a route from the Windows routing table. Shutdown //for/f/0. This command will immediately restart your Windows 10 PC and then access your computer's UEFI BIOS. That's the end of the video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe.